welcome to another tutorial of the Solution Journals. Today we will learn how to update your Instagram app if you don't have the option of update your application in the Play Store. So if you don't have the option of update in the Play Store application, you need to go to your settings here, and after that you need to go to the option of app management, and in app management you go to the app list and you need to find the Instagram app. So you put here Instagram, and here you can know the version of the application here, down in the down part of the title of Instagram. Now you know the version. You go to your navigator and you need to search the application of Aptoide, and after that you need to download Aptoide, and in the Aptoide application you search Instagram and you can update the Instagram app in Aptoide. So this is the process. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Follow us for more content like this.